Hi there, I'm Ross from Flox, and I'd like to show you something we've been working on that is a whole lot of fun, and it's called FLAIM. FLAIM is my cute name for Flox AI modeling, and what it is a collection of PyTorch, Hugging Face Diffusers, and Hugging Face Transformers. And trust me, with these three things, you can get into a lot of trouble. Let's jump right in and see how it works. The first thing you want to do is activate the remote environment that's stored on FloxHub. And you do this with flox activate -r flox/flame. Now, while I'm doing this, it's gathering all the packages and it's figuring out whether we have the correct GPU acceleration, which we do. Let's do as this suggests in gen image. Let's try maybe a ripe banana. I like to see what these things do with fruit, give it every chance in the world. And it's a little slow. It's running here on my Mac. There we go. A nice, I suppose that's ripe, a nice ripe banana. A little bit slow though. So I'd like to try this somewhere with a bit more horsepower. Let's head over here where I have a NVIDIA 3090 and activate the same thing. This will tell me over here, the same environment also works over here on Linux in addition to Mac, but here it finds CUDA and is able to tell me that CUDA is available. This is because Flox environments, well, they work across Linux and Mac. They work across, x86 and ARM, and in the case of the PyTorch package, they work across CUDA and Metal. So let's see if it's any faster here. An unripe banana. And this should be substantially faster over here with the accelerated hardware, and it was. Now, this is pretty cool, but it's just an alias to a Python script. Let's write some code of our own. Well, or copy and paste some code of our own. First, let's go over to Hugging Face and check out some of their models. If we go in here and filter for diffusers, these are all the ones that'll work really great inside of FLAIM. And let's pick maybe Man-E Dreams. Now, these are really fun. Models that are text to image are really fun. I find on Hugging Face that they usually have these code snippets down here at the bottom. So let's copy one of these and let's make ourselves a new file to run this. Like, let's call it maybe man-e.py. Paste the code that we grabbed from our browser earlier. And I want to make one alteration because I'd like to see this in my terminal. From image cat, import image cat. And down here at the bottom, maybe image cat image, and we can see it in our terminal. That'll be nice. And let's see if this runs. This would be a great example of just pulling code off of Hugging Face and running it pretty much immediately in a terminal and seeing a result, which I think is actually a whole lot of fun. So give a try to all of the other things that you can find on Hugging Face. They're a whole bunch of fun. Now, I want to finish by showing you how to get Flox so that you can try this for yourself. You can get Flox at flox.dev. There's a download widget here, and you can download it for whatever platform that you want to do your development on. Thanks very much. I hope you give it a try.